Yeah, man.
Alright, so Bex, just for the record,
Can you let me know here?
is your height?
I'm 5'5".
What?
You said it. You said it. Because honestly, a lot of us, we believe you. You know, you probably heard this a lot. You play taller than your actual height.
Good.
2-0 today.
Good.
Yeah. What were your thoughts on the overall game?
I think we controlled the game in the first 20 minutes. It was something different to how we usually play. You know, we're trying to play and we were brave, and obviously when we have to win a game, we have to go out and show a different side to us. And you know, in the first 20 minutes, I thought we played really, really well, and there were spells in the game after that which we did, you know, we did great. But obviously conceding that goal early on kind of took the wind out of us, and then the momentum went with them. So we kind of found it hard to then get a foothold back in the game, and obviously conceding that second goal was really, really disappointing for us.
There was a red card attendance in the national stadium today for a women's match, a Reggae Girlz match. What do you think about the fans and energy in the stadium?
Obviously we could hear them the whole game, and it was nice to, you know, get so many fans. We would have liked to have a lot more, but I've said it before, the pricing of the stadium is quite expensive, and you know, for our fans, you know, they're not going to come if it's too expensive. So I hope everyone watched the game back home who wasn't able to be there, because I can imagine there was a lot more people that wanted to show up today.
And then at the end we saw you guys hugging. What was the talk in the body amongst you guys?
We just know we've got to go for it, and we believe in ourselves. We believe we can go out there and you know, get a result. You know, we know we've got to score. We struggled to score at the World Cup as well. Obviously, we only coming away with one goal, but we were playing against some really good teams, and we've got to give credit to Canada. Obviously, they're gold medalists of the Olympics, and they're the holders, so we knew it wasn't going to be an easy task. But to step out there and give them a good run for their money is all we can do.
A run for the money you did. And on last year, on a lighter note, we've been asking some of the players, who's the most famous contact that you have in the room right now?
In my phone.
Yeah.